walking in no time. Woohoo! We gotta turn it around now. How do you do that? Here, Mommy, turn it. There we go. Up, 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 up. Get yourself back up. Come back this way. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come watch Jack. Come on, push it. He can walk with it now. Come on, you can do it. Push it. Make it go. Show Uncle Mike. Come on. Show him how you can make it go. Push it. Walk. He's getting there. Yay. Come here, now come to Mommy. Jack. Come here. Jack, come here. Say hi, Mom.
Nope. There he goes.
Yeah, I'm getting there. I know what I'm doing. My pants are a little too long. It's part of the problem. Don't have enough room to steer.